Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about a very important element whenever you're thinking of starting a dropshipping business. Now obviously we have done a lot of research and we've gone into great detail in selecting the right strategy to share with you, and the reason why we do this to give you a competitive advantage where you can easily start a successful dropshipping business. Now obviously there's a lot of platforms that you can focus on. It could be Shopify.com, it could be eBay.com, it could be Amazon, it could be any of the e-commerce websites that are available, and the strategy is going to be the same. I personally love Shopify because there are millions of entrepreneurs right now that have chosen Shopify to build their business, giving us an opportunity to study those cases and look at what they did to successfully start their business. And obviously one of the things I personally feel is the more research that you do, the more information you're able to actually gather, and based on that information you're able to start and develop a successful strategy that tends to work and not make the mistakes that all these individuals tend to make. And the best thing is the tools that you have available with Shopify. You can build amazing online experiences for your customers with using their easy to use store creators, and there's no coding expertise that is required, and that literally means that you don't have to invest in front-end developers, back-end developers, UI UX individuals. You can easily select from hundreds of customizable templates that are available that are crafted by a community of world-class designers on Shopify.com. You can even add more functionalities and features to your online store with the app extension from trusted Shopify partners. You can sell online and in person, and both with the marketing tools and social integrations and sales channels that you are required to get your product in front of customers. And guys, we live in the 21st century. We're living in a time where social media is the strongest tool that is available. We don't need to do marketing. We don't need to do a lot of ads. We need to focus on the element of social media. We need to grow our social media and the audiences that watch our content either on Instagram or YouTube or Facebook to ensure that we can get our product in front of all these individuals and turn them into loyal customers. And everything that we need to succeed is available. You have everything from managing inventories and tracking payments and viewing real-time business insights, all from a single dashboard. And they've built all the tools that are required so we can focus on building the business. And guys, that is the main element over here that you need to understand. And the psychology of the customers is paramount to actually figure out. And that is the reason we have brought this video to you guys. And we've done a lot of different videos and different strategies that are available on our channel. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the videos that we're making and giving you guys that opportunity to successfully start your own dropshipping business. Now, obviously this video, we're going to look at the most important element, which is trust. How can you develop a trust factor with your customers whenever they come on your landing page to buy a product from your store? And how you do it is quite simple. You go to adsgoogle.com to show off your products. Now, psychologically speaking, a person that is going and searching for products, whenever they see that the product is being shown on Google, that automatically creates an impression on their mind that this is a product that has been trusted by Google. And obviously we know for a fact that anytime anyone wants to search something, they go on Google and search for it. And if Google is showing an ad of your product and of your item that you're selling on your Shopify or eBay or Amazon account, they will be more than happy to buy that product. And that is one of the reasons why I always mention to individuals to sell the products to the shoppers that matter the most and the ones that are looking for what you offer, whether they're at home or on the go or in your store. And they'll pay when you click through their websites to view your local inventories. You show up when people search for what you have to offer and get the results that matter to you. And that is what helps drive website visitors, get more phone calls, and increase your store visits. You can set a budget that works for your business, guys. And that is the beauty of working with Google Ads. It gives you the control that you require and you need to grow your business. And having all these elements and implementing all these elements, you get a very huge competitive advantage in the industry. Now, one of the things that you need to understand, guys, is the fact that whenever you're starting a dropshipping business, there's multiple factors that you have to actually include in your thought process and the strategy that you want to implement. And trust is one of the core elements that you have to keep in mind. You need to make sure that the customer that comes onto your Shopify has a clear mindset that this is the only place that they will be able to get a product that is reliable. And by Google Ads, you get the first element put through. The second place is Facebook ads. Now, we know for a fact that millions of individuals on on a daily basis go on Facebook and check their Facebook account. Now, if you can get your ad to run on Facebook, what that means is that your product is going to be shown to millions of individuals every single day. If you take the conversion rate and say only 1% or less than 1% get converted, that is still going to be at least 10,000 individuals or 100,000 or 200,000 individuals that will actually end up seeing your ad. And after seeing your ad, you might even get 100, 200 individuals that might actually buy that product. We have to understand that we're living in a global world right now, and we're catering for individuals that might be in China, that might be in Japan, that might be in South Africa, that might be in Australia, that might be in the US, that might be in Russia. At the end of the day, everyone is a customer. You have to think globally and you have to act locally. And when you do that, what happens is that you start creating a customer base. The stronger and bigger your base is, the more you're successful you're going to be with your dropshipping. And Facebook ad gives you a complete breakdown of understanding how to create new brands, how to choose your audience, how to set up and manage your ad, how to run your ads, how to adjust your campaigns in performance and dynamic creativeness, and test out which ads best work and get real-time insights. And that, my friends, is what really makes Facebook stand out. And once you've done all of that, you need to head over to Trustpilot. Now, we all know that once someone buys a particular product, if you want to get a particular product, you look at the reviews that individual has given, because you want to check out what people say about that particular product, what people say about the store, what people say about their experiences. And based on those experiences, you will base your buying experience. And obviously, that is the reason why you need to integrate your store with Trustpilot, because once Trustpilot says that you are an individual that is actually selling good items and you're getting reviews from Trustpilot, that literally will give you a boost to your store. And that is the reason why I recommend anyone and everyone that wants to start their dropshipping business to focus on getting as many reviews as possible, connecting yourselves with individuals that can give positive feedback about the experiences that they've had on your store. And based on that, you can always get recommendations. And by those recommendations, you can convert a normal customer into a loyal customers, into a returning customers. And guys, at the end of the day, when someone actually gives information that runs from the mouth of that individual to another, that is a customer that is going to be with you for a lifetime. And that is a customer that you can rely on. And that is how you create a strong dropshipping business. And once you've done all of that, the most important thing you need to do is head over to these kind of websites, understand the competition that you have. For example, Castify.com is a platform that is selling phone cases, and their main focus is phone cases. If they come on your landing page and you're selling phone cases, you're selling phones, if you're selling apparels, if you're selling chairs, and if you're selling kitchenware, it's not going to be focused. They'll say this is not a professional individuals that are not focusing on one particular product. Make sure that you focus on one product in all eternity. For example, it could be phone and anything related with phone accessories, and you can get those accessories from your store. And that is what really makes that element stand out. For example, this store sells straps, this stores all the different elements available for different phones and different elements over here. If you look at the devices, if you look at the prints, if you look at the collabs, if you look at the customization, if you look at the accessories that are focused on the phones, they don't sell anything besides anything that's related to phones. And this is what really makes this particular website stand out. And that is exactly the strategy that you need to implement whenever you're starting your dropshipping business. If you need any support, if you need any guidance whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, and assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out how simple, straightforward it is to start a successful dropshipping business. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.